Hello and welcome to Canning Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Bezzera. This espresso machine came in and we did a complete rebuild of the group head, all working parts, all lubricated, cleaned with new gaskets and seats. We descaled the tanks and of course it's a new screen and the whole group head is clean. So let's see how this shot comes out. This is just test coffee, so a little fast, but it's got a nice flow right at 9 bars. This one's holding a little bit above 1, but the temperature can be controlled with the PID. Anyway, nice smooth movement there. We've got a great shot. Let's check the steam. Nice strong dry steam. There you have it. Thank you for repairing with Canning Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.